Where's the power cord? Yeah. I told you. I'm glad this is the music. I'm glad this is really entertaining to you. Uh-oh.
You sure that one's supposed to go there?
Oh, no. Uh-oh.
What?
It's not funny and not cool. You're doing this as a flashlight, right? Not actually videotaping me?
What are you talking about?
I'm not sure which... Half of them are coming up as verbs, and that is not very... Oh, I don't like that one. That's not very good tasting.
Alright. Here's how you're going to get rid of hiccups. Hold your nose. Get a deep breath.
Yeah?
Hold your nose. Ready? Swallow 10 times. That's what she said.
Ouch! I just blew a snot out. Oh, God, I hate you. I wasn't able to do it, too. You said that.
Try it again. And make sure you swallow.
Did you just make this up?
No, I swear to God, it's a true thing. Suck it, Trebek.
You can't do that.
Do you have any peanut butter in your office? They say if you eat a bunch of peanut butter, it'll help. Because it's the same thing. You're like holding your breath and swallowing.